What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how to install the V3 bumper lip splitters that I got from Ikon Motorsports, and I'm going to try to do my best to record every step that I'm going to do. I'm going to try to do my best to explain, and but yeah, let's get to the video. We got the lip right here. I already opened it, and this is what they sent me right here. Alright, so we gotta reinforce our curtain lip right now by putting some screws. I'm gonna put 2 right here, this area, and 2 right here. So I'm gonna let my brother record me while I'll do it. So we're gonna take the whole bumper off because there's no way we're gonna be able to do it that way to reinforce the current lip. So let's go ahead and take the bumper off. Alright guys, this is the tools that I'm gonna use to take the bumper off. There's a few clips, which you can use this right here. There's a few clips under the lip. I'm gonna take them off, and there should be more at the top of the bumper. And there's 2 bolts on this side. You can take it off. So let's get to it. Yep. Got the bumper right here. So we're going to try to secure the lip to the bumper. Alright guys, so I got the bumper right here. There's one right here. Put one in the middle, and the other one is right there. So I'm pretty sure that's going to secure this OEM lip. Since it got dark, tomorrow I'm going to put the bumper back on so y'all guys can see it better.
the next day.
What's going on, guys? It is a new day. We got the car down here. The lip is now on. The install is complete. We got the bumper on. Give you a view from the side. Next thing that I'm probably doing is wheels, which I'm gonna order this weekend or sometime this week. It's Monday now, so I like how the lip looks from the side. So I want you guys to leave a comment, see how y'all like it, if y'all like it or not. Of course, I'm probably gonna be wrapping this lip later on. But that's it for this video. Appreciate you guys watching. Go ahead and subscribe, like, share if you want, if you like the video. But once again, thanks for watching.